Israel arrests 23 Palestinians in West Bank raids. Israeli attack targets southern Syria, reports. US proposal on Syria's safe zone not satisfactory. UK sends mediator to Iran over seized ship. Sudanese forces partially withdraw from Yemen. Sudan army officers rounded up over suspected cop plan. Boko Haram attacks 5 women in troubled Nigerian town. Roadside blast killed at least 8 in Somalia. Myanmar has minimal preparation for Rohingya return, report. Bangladesh condemns Israel razing Palestinians' homes. Pakistan protests with India over ceasefire violation. Indian celebrities protest attacks on minorities.